Hello everyone. So welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about the electrical supply system. So in this transmission supply system, so mainly the transmission of power from power station to the consumers. So this we called as a electrical supply system. So in electrical supply system mainly consists of transmission line and distribution line. So in this the major part is going to be transmission lines. So where transmission lines are necessary for bulk power transmission from large group of generating stations to the main load centers. So we are transferring the power from the generating stations to the load centers, and transfer of power from main transmission network to the distribution substations. So and again we are going to have the distribution lines. It is also transfer the power from substations to the different consumers premises. So transmission of power can be done in two ways. First thing is AC system and second thing is DC system. So every system has its own advantage and disadvantages, but in usual practice we are going to prefer the AC transmission systems. So there are many advantages of using the AC transmission system. So first thing, the electrical power can be generated at high voltages, so like 11 kV. And second thing, so the voltage generated can be easily step up by using the step up transformers, and also it can be stepped down by using step down transformers. And coming to the advantages of AC transmission system, so the cost of the electrical equipments like a switchgear is very less, and next thing, the maintenance of AC substation is also very easier. And next thing, the transformer substations are much efficient than the motor generator sets used in DC systems. So these are the advantages of using the AC transmission system. So coming to our functions of transmission lines and distribution lines. So first thing, so transmission line. So transmission lines are mainly used to deliver bulk power from power stations to the load centers and large industrial consumers. So it is delivering the bulk power from power stations to the load centers. So it's mainly depending on operating voltages. Based on this operating voltages, they are classified into two types in transmission lines. So first one is primary transmission line and second one is secondary transmission line.